Hey, what's going on? This is MinisterGold. I stream every day on Twitch. I play Kaizo Mario and variety games, and I also use MixItUp every day on Twitch. I like making new things with MixItUp, and hopefully what I make will be useful to you. Today I'll be talking about how to make automatic shoutouts for users that you consider your regulars or like close friends of yours. Before we get into that, please like the video, please subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions about this or something else or requests, please do all that in the comments. Um, Now this is how we make a automatic shoutouts for regulars, okay? Or people you're close to. Click on the menu in the top left, click on users. Over here in username, type in the name of a username that you want to set up an automatic shoutout for. Then after you've found them, click on the pencil here. Um, new a new menu will pop up. Scroll down, and under options, you'll see custom entrance command. Click on the pencil for that. And then what I've done is I made a custom shoutout for this user, meaning like, typically shoutouts are generic. It'll be the same for the user. All that changes is really just the game they were playing, their URL, stuff like that. But for me, I actually go to effort to put in specific details about this user because I want people to know why I think this streamer is cool, as opposed to just, giving a generic shout out. Now, there's nothing wrong with doing a generic shout out, but that's not what I do in this case. If you want to do a generic shout out, you can. Just click on the drop down, go to command, add this, make sure it's on run command. So chat is where it should be, and then look up your shout out. And then type in their username here in the optional command arguments. And that's it. Just make sure this is gone. And yeah, that will run. I'm not doing that, so I'm going to delete that. But yeah, how the custom entrance command works is as soon as they say their first message, this message is going to be output for them. And you can really put anything here. You can put a sound here, so if when they walk in, there's a sound specifically for them or a video specifically for them, whatever you want. In this case, it's a shout out. But yeah, that's really all you have to do to get an automatic shout out set up for specific users. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Um, yeah, so if you thought this was cool, interesting, please like the video. If you want to see more MixItUp videos, MixItUp video tutorials, please subscribe. And yeah, any comments, questions, or requests, please leave that in the comments. And yeah, that is it. Adios.